Welcome to this meditation. In this session, we will learn some powerful visualization techniques to setting goals. Make sure you will not be disturbed for the duration of this session. Get into a comfortable position and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale and feel any tension begin to release. Breathing fully, feel your body expand with the air. As you exhale, feel your body contract as the air escapes. Focus on these sensations of the breath. Allow the breath to relax you. Breathe in deeply and bring your mind an intention you would like to set. Notice what comes to mind automatically. Be sure to add in as much detail as you can regarding this intention. The more vivid this visual, the better. What is it that you truly want? Can you make the colours of this visual bright and vibrant? Now see yourself as if you have already attained this desire. Notice what you look like after having gotten what you set forth to receive. What kind of emotions are you experiencing? Happiness? Accomplishment? Joy? Confidence? Let these feelings grow as you continue visualizing yourself. Good. Now remembering back to what your initial intention was, can you see the steps that you need to take that push you towards this goal? What kind of daily choices do you need to make? Your mind will automatically find the route you need to take if you set your intention with enough desire. Our natural state is successful. All we need to do is access it. Let's bring into your mind a specific thought now. I want you to imagine a white sheet of paper lying on a table in front of you. There is a pen sitting beside this white paper, waiting for you to pick it up. Take this pen and write down on the sheet of paper a goal or an aspiration that you have. Feel every letter, create every word, and when you are done with this one goal, read it back to yourself. Read it over once again and let the emotion tied to this goal rise in your body. With this goal in mind, imagine what it would be like to have already accomplished it. What kind of things are you doing when this goal has been achieved? Notice the details, like what you look like and who you are talking to. See the kinds of places you go when you have your dream in the palm of your hand. Good. And now take a deep breath in, drawing this image of achievement deep within your subconscious mind to begin activating it in your real life. Let the breath go and feel this goal manifesting right now. Now look back at that paper and read over this goal again. Take a deep breath in, effortlessly drawing into your conscious awareness all of the steps you need to take along the way that guide you towards these goals. Slowly draw your awareness to the present moment, feeling clarity in the course of action. Gently open your eyes. Now go find a sheet of paper, writing down any goals in reality, just as you did in this meditation, and read them back to yourself every day. Thanks for your time.